Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. Today we have the Bitcoin correction news. Of course, it dropped down more and we will see what the Bitcoin will do, as well as I have an update for Wing. So if you like the content, please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell button and share. It would mean so much to me. And now let's see some of the Bitcoin's recent action. Right now you can see, guys, back in the February we had this correction, 26.55% correction. So we reached all-time highs again back on 12 April, then we collapsed and we are having a 25.43% correction right now. The Bitcoin's bull market support level, as I told you in my previous videos, sits at around 45,000 USD. That's another 5% to a 6% correction. If we fall down from this line, then I don't know what we will do, but for now you don't have to panic at all, guys. Corrections in the Bitcoin market and of course in the cryptocurrency market happen all day, and if I go in monthly frame, you can see here we had all these green candles, and of course now we have the first red candle on April, and it might stay red. As we can see here, we're on 23rd April. It might stay as it is. We might have a furthermore correction, but nothing, of course, for now to worry about. Okay, so the Bitcoin's bull market support level sits there, 44 to 45,000 USD. What is the most important thing here is to see the MACD that crossed in the weekly frame the orange line, the support, the orange line. Okay, so the signal line, it crossed the MACD, and so we might see some furthermore correction of Bitcoin, but this can change easily, guys. It is nothing to be worried about now. But of course, as you know, many of you, and if you are new investor, then you should know that correcting like this sometimes can happen, and of course you can see in one day 20% corrections even on Bitcoin. Nothing, all is possible in the cryptocurrency market. The high volatility brings much corrections but much pumps as well, so you can take tons of profits. So for now we might test the 45,000 USD support level. We might not, but we have to be prepared for everything. Let's go to Wing against USDT to see where are we. So the support level right now was this blue line, which sits at around 0.0013 cents. It is off. We didn't hold that. We didn't hold the minus 0.36 Fibonacci level here, guys. We didn't hold this, and we are now focusing in what it will do on the next hours. If it will hit the minus 0.5, or if it can go further down to this line here. Let's go and see the price label for this support line, 0.00048. Okay, so that's the minus 0.618 Fibonacci level, the yellow line, as you can see here, guys, this yellow line, and we need to see if we will go further down retesting this level. Things are not looking good for the moment for Wing, as long as we didn't hold this support level right here. We collapsed furthermore, and we might see a furthermore collapse if Bitcoin corrects, of course, more. For now, in the next hours, you might see a pump up situation for the next few hours, where we might see for Wing the price going up, but that's not always the case. And of course, if it goes up for the next few hours, then it doesn't mean it will go upwards again. It might hit some previous resistance level, for example this one resistance level right here, which sits at around 0.3095. okay, but for now we have to be patient and wait. Of course, you can see the SSL channel, the red line is above the green line, so we don't have any buying opportunities. The only thing that I'm saying we might see an upward situation is because we are seeing the RSI so far down in beyond the 30 level, but on a very bearish market where Bitcoin drops so much, we are going to see lower highs, and even RSI might not manage to hit above the 30 level. We will see about that for now, guys, we don't have, of course, any buying opportunity right now. Okay, so if you want to day trade, you might want to buy here, but I wouldn't suggest you buy because many of us don't daily trade, and of course we need to see some further action first, what Bitcoin will do, what Wink will do. Okay, so we need to be patient now and of course wait and see. For the RSI, you can see here that it crossed the 30 level for the first time for quite some while now. Okay, so this means, guys, that we are correcting much here. We might have a buying opportunity for the very next hours, but I don't suggest you to buy. Same with the commodity channel index. It broke a support level. Actually, it is absolutely on this support level right now. I don't know. Let's see it more clearly. I don't know if it will go down, further down, but of course, if it will, then we will be seeing new lower highs as well for the commodity channel index. And of course, let's go to the Wink against USDT in the Bollinger bands. As you can see here, we are testing the bottom Bollinger band. We are here. And of course, the MACD for the daily frame, we had this bearish cross where we are getting the distance here between the signal line and the blue line. Of course, guys, it all depends now on Bitcoin, and we need to see some furthermore action for now. But of course, in the daily frame, the MACD is dropping more and more for Wink. Okay, and so we need to be patient right now when we are having a very high distance. I always tell you guys that we might have a buying opportunity, but for now, we need to see where Bitcoin will stop, and of course we need to check some important Bitcoin details first in order to see where the correction will go. Right now we go to Wink against Bitcoin in the 4-hour frame to see this bearish moment this bearish moment, guys, where the 50-day EMA went above the 20-day and the 30-day EMA. That's where we lost, and of course we didn't manage to get this line up beyond the 20-day and 30-day EMA again, falling more here. And you can see now we didn't manage to test minus 0.36. We might as well fall further into minus 0.5. This line here, I will tell you now, right now, the price is, guys, at around I think that's 70, yes, 0.70106. We are seeing this price because we divide Wink's price to Bitcoin's price as well. We might hit this support level for Wink against Bitcoin. We might hit, we might stay here as well, but I don't think that's the case for now, at least. If Bitcoin has to drop more than Wink will do again. But the reason you are seeing that Wink against Bitcoin is in a better position than Wink against USDT, like here for example, is because Bitcoin falls and Wink falls. So if we divide this number, we get Wink against Bitcoin, we divide this number. That's why we are in a better situation, because they both fall, but USDT is stable, as you know, so Wink falls only. So for now, let's go to the daily frame and to see some important details. We didn't manage to have the 50-day EMA as our support level. If we close beyond this level, then as I told you guys, I think we will retest this support level, or we might even fall further. We will see. For Wink against Bitcoin right now, after the Bitcoin's correction, we need to see where we will land, of course. And as you can see here, we might make the 30-day EMA as our resistance level, and all we want to avoid right now is these lines going upside down. For example, if the 50-day EMA goes above the 30-day EMA and the 20-day EMA, we might have a problem as well for the mid-term, for the short mid-term for Wink. Of course, for those who bought at the top or in any higher price, I suggest you to HODL and never sell your position, because that way you are being disciplined, of course, and you can take what the cryptocurrency market does better, to have so high pump ups but so low corrections, and we can see here how much of a correction we had from here, guys, up until now, minus 72% in just almost 14 days, okay, to 16 days. And of course, you can see here, yeah, it's 17 days actually, but of course you can see here, guys, back from 6 April till 23rd April, how much of a correction we had. We are going now to wink against USDT in the 4-hour frame to discuss about our analysis, our price analysis. Right now, we lost the 0.00106 support level, and now we might hit the 0.00067 around there, guys. It is around there, of course, or 66. Okay, so if we fall furthermore from this line, and if Bitcoin corrects more, then we could retest this line 0.0004841. Okay, so for now, because we are seeing this very bearish cross here, when the 50-day EMA went above and they are regaining some distance, as you can see, as we are having a lower price, they're regaining some distance, we might see further correction according to what Bitcoin does. So guys, what I suggest you to do for now is, if we were to go above this level, the 0.0017, as I told you yesterday, guys, it is a very good buying opportunity. For now, we need to see where we will go. For me, if we even go beyond this level, 0.00066, then we can manage to hit the 0.3048, and then this might be here the line, the yellow line, and this price, this might be a good buying opportunity for Wink. We didn't manage to hold this line right here, so I am deleting it. And of course, for now, we need to be patient and see. We might have furthermore correction testing the support levels, of course, this one and the previous one I mentioned before. Okay, so for now, nothing is absolute. We can't be exactly sure where it will go. Of course, we need to we need to see Bitcoin USDT, how much more it will correct, and we can decide afterwards. For now, guys, we are approaching lower level supports, and one good thing I have to mention here for Wink is the RSI that went down so much down, and of course we might see some very low support levels that might be a very good buying opportunity, especially for the mid term. So correcting is not always wrong, guys, and of course for now we need to be patient to see what Bitcoin will do. But of course, if you get the main idea here, I want to calm you down, and because many of you are panicking and they don't know what Bitcoin will do, just take a zoom out and see for yourself what Bitcoin has done, and ask yourselves if this is more of a correction, if we can drop down to this level, or if we will stay here, guys. If the Bitcoin bull run continues, then I think we will correct a bit more till we are seeing again Bitcoin goes up. So for me, just be patient, just relax. I had this in myself for the past 3 years. In my first year, of course, I was seeing the price and I was saying, oh my god, drops 20%, what am I going to do? Nothing, guys, you wait, you are being patient, and of course, let's see how much Fibonacci retracement levels we will test here for Wink. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Stay strong, stay healthy, don't panic, be patient. Patience is the key for the success. Bye.